Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's job, I'm just at a mate's house. Well, he doesn't live here anymore, he lives in Australia. And the wind's blowing this gate off. You see, to snap the post and things, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to get that fitted back on. Now ideally, I'd like to replace this post because as you can see there, it's split and down here, but it is a big chunky post, a big 6x6, it's only been in a couple of years, so what my plan is to do is to fix this button here onto there, onto the post. That should give something strong for the hinges to fix to, and then obviously I'll have to do the same on this gate here to space it out. So we'll get cracked on and see how it goes. So, as you'll be able to see, I've fixed that button onto there, put a few 3-inch screws into the original post, so that now gives us a good fixing point to fix the T-hinges back on. That little bit that was sticking out, I've just put a couple of 1.5-inch oval nails in just to pull that back in as flush as I can get it, and the same on the bottom. So I'm going to attempt to put this gate on, hopefully it'll go on, and then I'll just do the same with this side just to even things up. That one's not smashed off, but we just want to even that one up a little bit. Right, so there we are, there's the first button on, fixed down there, and that gate on and lined up the best I can. It'll need adjusting slightly when I do this on the side. As you can see, it, if my drilling that wasn't in the way, it all swings open nicely on those T-hinges. So we'll just fix the same on there, bring that one out, and then it just keeps everything in line. So that's it, all done. So we've got this gate back on. That swings shut nicely, all lines up, and obviously done the same, this one, just to even things out. Now that's 32mm I think thickness, so obviously this drop bolt hole, we've had to move that as well. So that's had to be moved back 32mm, so I've just filled that hole in. So that's it. All done and dusted. Till the next time we get the strong winds, at least if it smashes off again, now with these, easy enough just to replace these, not messing on with their posts and things, so that's it. All done. Hopefully my good mates happy with this job. One last thing, how much do I charge him? Well, I reckon a pint. A pint should do it next time he's over in the UK. We'll call it a pint. Not bad for an hour's work. So don't forget to like and subscribe and all that malarkey. I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.